Only qualified personnel should install Napoleon appliances and accessories. See product manual for details. This video will demonstrate how to install an oak log set into a Napoleon AX42-1 fireplace. The studs within the firebox have letters associated to them for identification. This helps indicate correct log placement when used with the log placement leaflet. To begin, place log 1 at the back of the burner and pull it forward. Ensure the notch sits around the pilot shield. Locate the holes on the bottom of log 2 and place them onto studs B1 and B2. Ensure the chart end is facing forwards. Locate the notch on log 3, grate post 4, the bump out on log 3, and notch in log 1. Place the notch on log 3 onto grate post 4, and the bump out into the notch on log 1. The log will rest across log 2, on the right side of the vertical stump. Locate the hole on the bottom of log 4, stud A1, the top of log 4, and the locator on log 3. Place the hole on the bottom over stud A1, and ensure that A2 is resting on the right side of the log. The top of log 4 will then rest on the locator at the top of log 3. Locate the bump out on log 6, far left notch on log 1, locator on log 6, and grate post 1. Place the bump out into the far left notch on log 1, and rest the opposite end on the left side of grate post 1. Ensure the chart end is facing inward and the split end is resting over the bottom of log 4. At this point, place glowing embers on the burner, in front of the large clusters of ports. Ensure not to cover the burner completely, as this will affect the desired flame appearance. Locate the bump out on log 5, the top notch on log 1, the locator on log 5, and grate post 2. Place the bump out into the top notch on log 1, and rest the locator on the opposite end to the left of grate post 2. The split end of the log will rest above the bottom of log 4. Locate the notch on log 7, the front grate between posts 3 and 4, the chart end of the log, and the locator on log 5. Rest the notch on the front grate, between grate posts 3 and 4, and rest the opposite end on the locator on log 5. Ensure the chart end is facing forward, and slightly downward, towards the front grate post. Locate the edge on the back of log 8, and front grate between posts 2 and 3. Place the edge between the grate posts, ensuring the right side of the log touches the bottom of log 7. Locate the notch on log 9, and the front grate between posts 1 and 2. Place the log on the media tray and front grate, with the split end resting against the left side of log 5. Place the supplied charcoal on the media tray, around the logs, to finalize the media installation. Never cover the burner and air intakes or allow objects to come in contact with the pilot. Allow the fireplace to burn for a minimum of 15 minutes before assessing the flame. Note the peaks and valleys within the flame pattern. Logs should not impinge or split any flames as the fireplace burns. Check the placement of the glowing embers. They should not restrict the flame and should be placed to create a realistic glow effect on the burner. See the video description for all manual, leaflet, and part numbers for this log set. Click here to view the Wolf Steel Technical YouTube page. Like and subscribe to our channel to get notifications for new product and troubleshooting videos.